performance, Sebastian. Especially my little Ariel.
Ah, yes. She has the most beautiful voice. If only she show up for rehearsals once in a while.
What's that you're hiding? No. You went up to the surface again, didn't you? Didn't you?
Daddy, I'm 16 years old. I'm not a child.
Don't you take that tone of voice with me, young lady. As long as you live under my ocean, you'll obey my rules.
If you would just listen.
I am never to hear of you going to the surface again. Is that clear?
Only I could make him understand. I just don't see things the way he does. I don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Wouldn't you think my collection's complete? Wouldn't you think I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one cavern hold? Looking around here, you'd think, sure, she's got everything. I've got gadgets and gizmos and play. I've got who's its and what's its galore. Moms, I've got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around on those, what do you call them? Oh, feet! Flipping your fins, you don't get too far. Legs are required for jumping, dancing, strolling along down a, what's that word again? Street. Up where they walk, up where they run, up where they stay all day in the sun, wandering free. Wish I could be part of that
Hey there, boy. Yeah, I know. I had to escape all that marriage talk. It's just... I just haven't met the right girl. Yet. Oh, believe me, Max. She's out there. Somewhere. I just know it. Okay, boy. Hey! Wait up!
I don't know when, I don't know how, but I know something's starting right now.
connection.
Have you lost your mind?
Listen to me. The human world, it's us. Life under the sea is better than anything they got out there. Seaweed is always greener in somebody else's league. Oh, but that is a weakness, king. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more is you looking for? Under the sea, under the sea. Darling, it's better down where it's better. Take it from me. They work all day. They slave away. One week you go to put on the blues under the sea. And you play the flute. And I'll play the harp. And you play the bass. And they sound and shout. Oh, bass play the brush. And we just play the drum. And so that goes. Tell me, what is better than all these?
Oh, Sebastian, you just don't understand.
Trust me, everything you need is right here under the sea. Oh. Big fish. Sea. Under the sea. With the sun begin to be music to me. What do they got? A lot of sand. We got a hot one station.
How delicious. Daddy's little princess wants to be with the humans. It looks like Tonto has been this after all. Flotsam, Jetsam, brilliant. Poor child, poor sweet child. Ursula, help Ursula make all your dreams come true.
The sea witch?
Now, Angel Fish, you're here because you want to be with the humans. Find your prince, fall in love. Well, the solution to your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself.
Can you do that?
Oh, my dear sweet child, that's what I do. It's what I live for. I'll make a potion that will turn you into a human for 3 days. Before the sun sets on the 3rd day, you've got to get dear old Princey to kiss you. Not just any kiss, the kiss of true love. If you do that, you'll remain human permanently. But if you don't, you'll turn back into a mermaid, and you'll belong to me.
If I become human, I'll never be with my father or sisters again.
That's right. But you'll have your dream. Life's full of tough choices, isn't it? Oh, there is one more thing, sweet cakes. No more talking, singing, zip.
But without my voice, how can I...
You'll have your looks, your pretty face. And don't underestimate the importance of body language. Come on, you
Has he kissed her yet?
No, and there's only one day left. You want something done? You got to do it yourself. First, we've got to create the mood. Percussion. String. Wind. Word. To see her sitting there across the way. She don't got a lot to say, but there's something about her. And you don't know why, but you're dying to try. You wanna kiss the girl.
You hear something?
Yes, you want her. Look at her, you know you do. Possible she wants you to. There is one way to ask her. It don't take a word, not a single word. Go on and kiss the girl. Sing with me now. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, my oh my. Look like a boy too shy. You're gonna kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, ain't that sad? They get the shade too bad. You're gonna miss the girl.
You know, I feel really bad not knowing your name. Maybe I could guess. Is it Mildred? Okay, no. How about Diana? Rachel?
Ariel. Her name is Ariel.
Ariel? Ariel? That's kind of pretty. Okay. Ariel.
Can you sing to the song? The song says, kiss the girl. Sha-la-la-la-la-la, music play. Music say, you got to kiss the girl. You got to kiss the girl. Go on and kiss the girl. That is close, too close. At this rate, he'll be kissing her by sunset for sure. Well, it's time Mercy to manage her own tentacles. Dragon's daughter will be mine.
Ariel! Your voice!
I have so much to tell you.
She really does love him, doesn't she, Sebastian?
It's like I always say, Your Majesty. Children got to be free to live their own lives.
Then I guess there's just one problem left.
And what's that, Your Majesty?
How much I'm going to miss her. Ariel,
Daddy?
I'm sorry you had to lose your voice in order for me to hear you.